The next thing we're going to be creating now is the salary scale. Like I've explained earlier, the system runs on the grade level mode. So you have to create grade levels and grade level benefits. Before you create grade level, you have to create a salary scale. So for instance, I have different salary scales that runs in my organization. I can create as many salary scale as possible. So after creating my salary scale, I create my grades. So I come to my grades and I add new grades. So I can add the management staff, I can have chief, executive, so promotion minimum years, number of leave days, 20. So after adding my grade, I proceed to add a grade level, a grade step. So I can add numbers to my step and I can add alphabets. So I can call it step 1 or step 2, or I can add CEO to it. So I create my new grade step. So create it CEO. Number 1, promotion minimum years, 2 or 1. Save it. So I've created a new grade. I've created a new salary scale. I've created a new grade and I've created a new grade step. So I can then proceed to create grade level benefits for my grade level. So I come here and I add new grade level benefits. So the grade level benefits are the amount that make up a person's pay. So usually we have on the system, we have the monthly basic, the rent, the transport. Those are system benefits. So while we proceed on the demo, I'm going to show you how you can create your own benefits using the payroll model. So I select the salary scale, I select the grade level, I select the grade step, I select the benefit I want to add, and then I enter the amount and I save. It has been added successfully. So I can do this for as many types of benefits that applies to my organization. So after creating the benefits, I go ahead and create request types. So there is the request and complaint module on the application. The request and complaint module allows employee to make requests, different types of requests from their own self-service, and then the admin gets a notification of their request and then approves. So the beautiful thing about the request and complaint module is that while creating a request type, you can create approval workflow for a particular request type. So here, I'm going to add a new request type. And I can also edit all request types that have been created. So I can add a new request type. I can call it anti-code. Enable step notify. So the enable step notify means while approving, each step of approval will notify the employee that made that particular request. Is this a system requirement? I can decide to check and uncheck this, and then I save. This process will automatically move me to creating an approval workflow for that particular request type. So I go ahead and save process so I can view the approval workflow. So I can select a privilege the step of approval. I can add as many steps of approval as I want. After adding this step, I save process. So automatically, this request type has been created.